Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Mustang Rustang. Uh, so today we're going to do a little bit different, but here's car in here. We're priming and sanding, but then it got cold, so we don't have time to paint. So we did order the parts, some of the parts for the motor. We have ordered the Speedmaster kit, which has cylinder heads, intake manifold, rocker arms, valve covers. What else? Is that it? I don't know. It's a whole upper end kit. Oh, there's G Junior. All right, so 2 boxes. Let's go ahead and start opening this box here. Let's see what we got. You can order this stuff off of eBay. It was a whole upper end kit. You know, they don't really explain exactly what you get. Supposedly there's 202 valves and 190 valves. I'm not sure what side the valves were, but I do believe everything is like Speedmaster stuff. All right, so first box.
This is rocker arms.
Rocker arms. All right, sit here. Pull it out here. Hold on. You set this way. Here, set them down here. Let's take a peek. And so here is the set of rocker arms we got. Now we were going to use those other rocker arms, but those other rocker arms had some issues. So here, go ahead and give me a little slice here. Those other rocker arms that we were going to use has an issue, and I'll show you what some of the issues were. This rocker arm out here. Take over the camera. So the other rocker arms, the roller here was smashed into the rocker itself, because as you can see on this one, actually that's nice. The roller is actually higher than the rocker, but on those, the rocker and the roller were the same, and they were actually crushed. And also there was some rust up in the pivot piece here. So these are our new nice steel insert there. They feel pretty good. So there's the roller rockers. It did come with new lock nuts for adjustment. So excellent. So of course let's make sure everything's here, because I did read a review that they said that somebody was missing some stuff. So let's go ahead and get all this stuff organized here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have all 16 rockers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All 16 adjust nuts with the locks, which are in there. All right, excellent. These are, you know, the ratio is 1.60. Excellent. That's the stock ratio. So Speedmaster, they look very good. Okay, so we'll set those there. Let's come on back over and get some paper out of the way. Valve covers, Speedmaster valve covers. We don't want to come out. All right, just set this back here. All right. Oh, they're polished aluminum with the hardware. There's the baffle for inside, and we've got new hardware for the valve covers, and we're already losing a washer. Let's take a look. They're supposed to be polished. Not the best polishing. Right there. Speedmaster79.com. They look pretty nice. So there's one of the valve covers. Let's take a look at the other valve cover. Other valve cover, same thing. Nice and tall to help clear the roller rockers. They look pretty good. You know, they're not the best. I think we're going to take these over to my brother's house, and he's going to powder coat them gold for us. You think they'll look good?
Yeah.
Because keeping these things polished is going to be impossible. All right, so we got our baffles and our Washers, I don't know how this washer came out of this little package, but we'll get it back in there. Oh, because it's got a hole in it. Okay. You know, I'm going to put those in here so we don't lose them. All right. Valve covers. And actually, the original valve covers off the Mustang, it has that little piece that's tack welded here. Well, those valve covers were so rusted, when he started cleaning them up, that just fell apart and there was a hole in the valve cover. So we needed a set of valve covers. So that's another reason why we decided to buy this kit, is because it came with the valve covers. So we will have to ship these over to him. And he bought the gold powder coating, and we'll have him powder coat the valve covers for us. All right, so Speedmaster. Okay, let's go take a look and see what's in the next box. What do you think we got in the next box? Cylinder heads? Pretty heavy. Ugh.
Possibly.
All right. Doesn't say exactly what this is, but it's got to be the cylinder heads. One of the cylinder heads, I bet. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Thank you very much for your recent purchase of one of our Speedmaster Performance cylinder heads. Due to large runner size on some of our heads, the pushrod's hole may require some additional clearance depending on the rocker, arm, and valve train components you are employing. The consumer is responsible for ensuring all aspects of the heads are inspected prior to installation. Failure to do so will void any warranty. The heads have been CNC machined, are in high demand. As you know, CNC porting process and flow of the head can provide you with a considerable power gain. Unfortunately, this process also weakens the valve seat area on the head. We are not responsible for area in this head and will not warranty these failures. All of our area heads are still covered by manufacturer warranty. Big block Chevy heads. Well, we don't have big block Chevy heads, so I'm not going to worry about that. All right, so we have some screw-in studs. Excellent. We have guide plates for the push rods. There should be four. There's four. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 8 screw-in studs for the rocker arms. Okay, so here we go. Dun 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 dun. Ooh. Ah, look at that. Complete aluminum cylinder head. And to my knowledge, supposedly they are all the cylinder heads are drilled for accessories, so you don't have to worry about that. So let's take a look. Yeah, those are definitely 202 valves. And I'm not sure what size the exhaust valves are. Nice bronze valve guides in the exhaust. Very nice, lubed up very nice. It takes the smaller plugs. Around here, let's take a look at the in. Once again, bronze valve guides inside there. Very nice. Now that's something I noticed. Now I didn't notice this on the other one, so we're going to definitely need to, where the screw-in studs screw in here, we are definitely going to have to put Teflon tape come in here, because they enter into the ports, so you don't want a vacuum leak of it sucking oil. So we're definitely going to have to tape them up with thread sealer. All right. They look very, very nice. Does anybody know what the rating is? 1.960, 1.955. Does anybody know what the, is that how much pressure? What is that supposed to be on the valves? Looks like it's got a nice guide, nice oil ring. Oh, these things are beautiful. All right, so we'll go ahead and put this back down in here because we're not going to be using them yet. So there's the top. There's the top. There's the hardware. Excellent. You know, for the price of this stuff, there's no reason to get your stuff rebuilt because the rebuilding on these stuff is as expensive as just buying the new stuff. So that is what came in box, I guess was that right? Box number 1. All right. So here comes box number 2. What time are we on? 11. All right, it already started a new file. I just have to remember that. All right. There is the Speedmaster intake manifold set with the cork ends. That really looks quite nice. All right, so we got gaskets. Pop this open. What's this say? Manifold. Here is the intake manifold.
I think the table's getting kind of
wonky. Getting a little wonky. Well, enjoy. Speedmaster, established 1979. So I had no idea Los Angeles, Sydney, and Shanghai, but I guess this stuff is probably made in China. Welcome to the team. Ooh, we got stickers. Stickers. Hello. This product is covered under Speedmaster Limited International Warranty. The warranty details, please visit Speedmaster 79 for the warranty. 5-year warranty. Speedmaster support. Here we go. Looking for instructions or instructions from this product can be found in the instructions tab. So I guess you can go online and get the instructions for this. And hello, our vision, our mission. All right, so we'll look through that in a little bit, but that's very, very nice. Very, very nice. I have to admit their packaging is very nice. So we'll have to look through that. So here we go. Here is the Speedmaster.
Oh, wow.
Aluminum intake manifold. Wow, this thing's pretty, it kind of reminds me of a...
big right here.
Yeah, oh, look. Look, yes, it came with all the plugs for the vacuum and the water jackets if you don't need them, and adapters. Oh, thank you, Speedmaster, because this is the stuff that you always need that nobody has. This is a very, very, very high ram intake manifold. Look how tall. Look how tall this manifold is, and it's like an air gap. It's kind of like the Eldebrock air gaps. Now the process may not be as nice looking as an Eldebrock, but
It's pretty damn close.
it looks pretty good. Look at that nice machine surface. Oh, what a pretty manifold. The runners are fairly smooth. Wow, I wasn't expecting something that nice. That is very nice with all the hardware to take and you know, for the water jackets. Wow, that is really nice. Speedmaster, it looks really, really nice. All right, and the hardware. I love it that it comes with the hardware. All right, we'll go ahead and put that back in its little baggie.
Hard doing it with one hand.
Yeah, the one-handed man is hard to do. So, all right, everybody, there's just a quick box opening. That's going to have the other cylinder head in it.
Okay,
I don't really think we need to show the other cylinder head. But yeah, it comes as a kit. You can buy them on eBay at a very reasonable price. Wow. Very, very happy. And I know that's the other cylinder head. We don't need to open that up because we already saw the one cylinder head. The other cylinder head is just going to be just like it. All right. Alrighty, everybody. There's the overview of the new parts that we got for the Mustang Rustang. So want to thank everybody for watching. You can always subscribe, and I do believe it's going to be in that corner over there. And please give me a thumbs up if you like all the Rustang videos, and happy Thanksgiving. Anything else, G Junior?
Hit subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe. We'll catch you all on the next one.